Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see your card number on Google Pay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, the very first thing that you have to do is simply access your Google Wallet app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you will be able to choose any of your Google card, choose the card that you have activated over here. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to see the last four-digit number on top of the card, and that is it. But if you would like to know the card's number and information of all, you won't be able to have it because they don't detect and score here on Google Wallet, so there is no way actually for you to see so, and that is simply for the security reasons, in case of somebody else's reach to your phone or to your account, so nobody can see the information regarding your cards or to misuse it. So basically there is no way for you to do so. You have the debit or credit card. If you want to see if your virtual card's number or you want to see, you can simply access it. Otherwise, you can simply try to contact the customer support of any of the card that is missing or somehow you lost it. Simply make sure that you have blocked the card, and so it won't be used and you won't face any of the loss. That is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.